Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Diana. I am 11. I live in Kazakhstan. First of all, I want to thank you for allowing me to show my presentation Sergei Kharlamov is a hero. I'd like to tell about Sergei Kharlamov, the pride of our Kazakhstan. Sergei Kharlamov is a world-class athlete with a disability, the champion of the Republic of Kazakhstan among athletes with disabilities, a participant and winner of the Kazakh and international competitions, the Asian record holder. Sergei Kharlamov is from North Kazakhstan. He was born on the 13th of December in 1970. Sergei was a healthy child, but when he was 2 years old, he was taken ill with a cerebral palsy. Despite his illness, he was engaged in athletics and participated in competitions. Thanks to his persistent nature, Sergei achieved good results. In 2007, he was discovered by Kazakhstan national coach for athletes with disabilities, Vyacheslav Latyshev, on the Hope Sport Festival Nadezhda. In 2010, Sergei won the silver and bronze medals at the Russian Championships in Athletics among athletes with disabilities. Then Kharlamov participated in the 2010 Asian Paragames in Guangzhou. There he finished 7th in the 100 and 200 meters and 4th in the 400 meters. It was the first large competition of his life. Sergei prepared so hard that he forgot about his birthday, but friends remembered it and congratulated him. In 2011, he won the 3rd Paralympic Games in Kazakhstan and became the champion of our republic. In 2012, Sergei Kharlamov achieved good results at the qualifying tournament in Dubai. I'll tell about them on the next slide. At the qualifying tournament in Dubai, Sergei Kharlamov achieved the following standards for the London Paralympic Games in 2012. A qualifying standard in the long jump, B qualifying standard in the 100-meter sprint. At the tournament, Sergei Kharlamov won 2 bronze medals in the 100 and 200 meters. Also, Sergei set a long jump Asian record of 4.54 meters. My brother Sergei, what strength of him? Every day, he jumps and runs to win. He overcomes his illness and goes to success. His manner is weakness. He will be winner. Yes! Thank you very much for your attention.